In this video, I will show you how to split screen on Windows 11. So I'll be showing you today how to split your screen and use two or more windows at the same time, whether you want to work with two apps side by side, browse the web whilst watching a video, or multitask more efficiently. Windows 11 makes it quick and easy. If this video does help you out today, make sure to leave a like, comment below, and subscribe for more Windows 11 tutorials, tips, tricks, and easy tech guides. Now, as you can see, I'm currently here on my desktop, and what I'm going to do is just open up the Spotify app. Now, before you can do this, you need to make sure you've got Snap Layout enabled, which is going to enable you to split screen in Windows 11. So to do that from your desktop, if you come and click onto your search box in the taskbar at the bottom, in here you want to type settings and then open up your settings underneath best match. Once your settings is opened, come over to the menu on the left hand side and click onto system, and from your system settings you want to look for the multitasking option just down here. Give that a click, that's going to take you to a screen like this, and at the top you're going to see the option to snap windows. If this is currently turned off, turn it on, and that's going to allow you to split screen in Windows 11. Now, to actually split screen, what I'm going to do is, for example, open up the Spotify app, and what you want to do is come and hover over the full screen icon in the top right hand corner. Now, once you do this, you're going to see the different snap layouts available, and what you need to do is actually click onto the layout that you're looking to use. So for example, if I go for this one here and I'm going to click here, it's going to automatically snap this to the left side of the screen. Now you can see all my other open windows on the right hand side. What I can do is simply click one of these and it's going to split screen the two apps. To cancel this at any point, all you need to do is just simply close it down. So if you come and click the cross, and you can do that again for the other app, and then of course you'll be back to normal. So that's how to split screen in Windows 11. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more Windows 11 and simple tech guides. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.